What's up, nail crew? I made it to the soak off video. Yes. No more nails broke off. Thank God. Oh my God. All right. Otherwise, this video would have been a whole different. We would have been into a whole different direction. But we're just gonna do a simple soak off. Before we even get started, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. All right, here we go. Here is the first nail that broke that thumb. Still looks pretty good with that Gorilla Glue holding on strong. And then here is that second nail that broke, and that looks really good too. I did put some clear polish on right before the video, just so you guys can see that even after a nail breaks, you can fix it the way I did in that in my previous video. And then once you apply some clear polish, it looks really good. So, you know, if you're in a pinch and you're out of town and a nail breaks, get you some good old Gorilla Glue and some clear polish and you are straight. All right, so let's go into soaking these nails off. Let's just get it popping. The tools that I'm going to use today are this little Kiss nail cutter clipper thingy, and then I'm going to use my ashtray. I always use this ashtray. It's so dirty. I gotta clean it off. Don't judge me, but yeah, I'm gonna use my ashtray, and then of course I'm going to use some acetone. Right, nothing special. I think I got this from Walmart. And so let's just see. Let's get into it. Let's see how well this product soaks off. Am I going to be mad? Am I going to be mad? Let's find out. All right, before I do that, let me try to break my nail. So I put the Gorilla Glue. I'm going to see if I could break it. And I'm like really putting a lot of force and it does not want to break. I feel like my whole thumb is going to fall. Like it is on there, man. There it goes. Okay. So, shoot, that works. Gorilla Glue, you get a thumbs up. All right, so let's try the other finger. Let's see how easy this one. That one was a little bit easier to break. Yeah, I was putting a lot of force in it though. So let me try to break a regular. No, I was gonna try to see if I could break a regular one with as much ease or whatever, but no, it wasn't coming off. And then of course I'm gonna use my drill to help to file off some of the bulk. This container is just something I got from the dollar store. I keep all my little drill bits in here. And the ones that I use to file off my nails, I use a metal one. And this one has like a little safety piece on it. And then this one does not. But they're both very coarse and they both work very well. So I'm just going to go ahead and use I might just use the regular one, the flat one. Just showing you guys what they look like. I'll go ahead and just use this flat one. So I don't think I'm going to record me filing off my nails because that part is boring. So I'll just file it off camera and then I'll come back when I'm doing the soaking part. So yes, I will see you guys in a second. All right, so wait a minute. I wasn't going to show you guys the drilling part because usually it takes a lot to file down the nails and, you know, that's just going to eat up all my video time and this video will just be way too long. So I started to file it off of camera and it was going so smooth. Like it was filing down very easy. So I decided to come back and show you guys how easy this stuff was to file off. So I did do 3 nails. I'm going to do these last 2 on camera so that you guys can see how easy it was for me to file it down. So just stay tuned. Just keep watching. Also, I ended up switching to this cuticle cutter because the Kiss nail tip cutter thing that I showed you guys in the beginning, my nails were too thick and it wouldn't fit inside. And it was just a hassle. So I switched to this instead and it's working great.
No one wants to pity you. No one wants to give you any credibility. The only thing I tell Monique is super vague. He's claiming that you guys had sex again. Well, I'm telling you that did not happen. Okay. ready to knock this out. We're gonna do whatever we can do to get you out of here quicker. But if you have to stay the 30 days, just stay down. Tonight, after Love and Hip Hop, Remy throws Papoose a star-studded knockout party.
All right, so this is the last one. It went by very smooth. Trust me, guys, like when I file down my gels, my polygel, my acrylic nails, I normally spend so much time with the filing and then the soaking. It's just so frustrating that, oh my God, it's just like the worst part about doing your own nails. Anyway, I think I got enough of it off that I'm just going to go ahead and fill up my little ashtray here and get to the soaking part. So I'm going to time this. I'm going to actually time it and see how long it takes for me to soak these nails off.
I know Apple has a history of mistakes and bad decisions, but I'm hoping she can escape her past. I got a team of lawyers working on getting her sentence reduced. Apple has too much potential to be wasting it in jail.
All right, so I think it's 4 o'clock. Yes, okay, yes, it is 4 o'clock. I'm going to soak for 5 minutes and then see how much progress that I have made. So I'll be right back. Okay, so it is now 5 minutes have passed. It is 4:05. Let's see what has happened so far. Let's see. I'm gonna just use this little metal tool here. It has a little pinching tool on one side and then a cuticle pusher on the other side. I'm gonna use that to scrape off some of this polygel and just see what kind of progress we've made. Okay, so far so good. I mean, most of it really filed off. So there's not much for me to scrape off with this tool, to be honest. It filed off very well. So you know what, Gelike, me and you had a rocky start. We had a rocky start, but you know what? You coming through in the end for me. You coming through because, you know, it's nothing like sitting down for an hour soaking off your nails. Like that is the most aggravating thing ever. So at least you can soak off well, right? So thumbs up to that. I have most of it off, if you can see, like that white stuff that you're looking or seeing in the camera, that is still the polygel. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and soak it one more time and then just see what happens then.
I'm happy in love with my wife, and I'm ready to tackle parenthood with her. This is a family now. My friends can have their doubts.
All right, so I'm gonna soak for another 5 minutes. Let's see what time it is. Okay, it's 4:07. All right, so it's 4:12 now, so 5 minutes have passed again. Let's see where we're at. Let's take a look. I'm gonna take my same old tool, same metal tool, and just scrape off the polygel that's on top. Again, it's not that much to scrape off, so I'm not, putting too much pressure in, but I am applying enough pressure to scrape it off the surface. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm gonna do that to all my nails. And we're just going to see what happens at the end. But so far, I am pleasantly surprised, y'all. I am liking the way this is going. So let's just continue to watch. Oh, I almost forgot, guys. I did email and reach out to the representative from EC Cosmetics, the one that makes this Gelike Polygel. I hit her up on IG, and I also reached out to her on email. So as soon as she responds to me, trust me, you guys will know what she says. So just stay posted for that. Anyway, as far as the soak off, I'm happy. So far, it's going good. I still have a little bit of the polygel on my nails, but it's not that bad though. It is workable. So what I'm going to do is switch out the drill bits. The coarse drill bit is just way too coarse for my actual nail, and a lot of my nail is showing. So I'm just going to switch it over. And I'm going to use this to drill off most of the product that is left. Sometimes I leave that last that last layer that's so close to the nail bed, a lot of times I just leave that on. I never really file all the way down to my nail because I don't want to ruin the integrity of my nail. So in most cases, there's always like just a very, very thin layer of gel left. And I'm okay with that. Once I fill my nails and do my new set, no one will ever, ever know. All right, so we made it to the last finger. Filing off the rest of the product was very easy. I must say it melted or dissolved very well in that acetone, and there was not much for me to file off at this point. So, I mean, all right, I could give props where props is due. And although this product did not last well for me, I don't know if it was me or if it was a product. Although I had my little issues, it does file off well. All right, so it is 4:18 and I started at 4 o'clock. So it took me less than 20 minutes to soak off this hand, which is awesome. I think my last set, I think it took me, I want to say 45 minutes to an hour. So yeah, okay. All right, so I did the other hand off camera and it took me about the same time, to be honest. And I'm wiping my hands off with my makeup sponge and some alcohol. Nothing new there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Crew, that is it. I filed off all my nails. They look so funny. My fingernails always look so funny without nails. It went easy. Like, I have to admit, I mean, I had trouble applying it, but after listening to you guys or reading you guys' comments, you know, it could have just been my error. So I'm gonna give it another chance. I filed it off. It went well. It took about 20 minutes, a little bit less than 20 minutes to get the product completely off of my nails, which is the fastest. It was like a record time. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. I mean, I'm willing to try it again. We'll see how it goes. All right, so I'm about to go. Oh, I'm so close to the camera. All right, so I'm about to go run. I know you guys can tell I'm about to do something. I got my hat, I got my headphones, got my little sweatshirt. So I'm about to go run. When I come back, I am going to do my nails. I'm going to use everything that I did before. And I'm going to take into consideration everything that you guys have told me. So I do appreciate it. I listen and I take constructive criticism very well. But don't get crazy in them comments. Don't hurt my feelings, okay? And I am going to just do the whole set again. I'm going to do the whole set and I'm going to just do whatever you guys have told me in the comments. And then we're going to see what the nails look like. So I'll do that after I run. And yeah, we'll just see how it works out. We'll see how it works out. Okay, bye.